The universe cards, number 3, solar system. Keyword, family. Interpretation. In the solar system, all the planets are linked by one commonality. They orbit around the sun. So it is with families. All members of the family are linked, so that what affects a single member affects them all. The solar system card, number 3, is rather like the binary system card in this way, but the binary system card deals with the link of one-to-one relationship. The solar system card represents the many-to-many relationship that make up the family. Whatever kind of family we come from, their impact upon our lives is usually considerable. They say that blood is thicker than water, and often we feel the pull of our family ties much more strongly than other ties in our lives. We do not choose our families, and we may resent the ties that seem to bind us. There is a sense that we have no choice about our families, that they are somehow our fate, and we just have to put up with them. Although we may love them dearly, they can seem to restrict us. If you draw the solar system card number 3, you are being reminded of the pull of our family ties. You need this group of people to support you, however you may feel restricted by them. The solar system card emphasizes the strength you can get from the support and love of your family. But it also stresses that, to some degree, you have no choice in the matter. You need to accept and love your family simply because they are there. Try to regard your family with respect rather than resentment. You may need them as much as they need you. Even if there is no sense of support or duty from either side, try to perceive the irrevocable link between you and other members. This may be only the fact of your blood relationship to them. You may feel there is nothing else that links you, but this in itself is no small thing. Remember that the planets in the solar system are vastly different, their only link being their orbit around the sun. But without the sun, they never would have existed in the first place. Even if you dislike your family and are not close to them, try to see that they are or have been an irrevocable influence upon your life. The solar system card is asking you to accept the reality of that influence with grace.